right, you horny little freaks, you little crotch-scratching hooligans. Anyway, today I got another just the tip, because I just want to give you the little tip. Why should I give you the whole thing when I can just give you the tip? This is your cowl drain, and because I have taken the engine out of this one, it just makes a good demonstrator. You've seen this many times. This turkey goes here. Ooh, I can turn on my head torch. There you go. Now everybody can see the magic. This little turkey goes here, but I had to answer a question about this, so I thought I'd make a video. It attaches like so, and this factory hose clamp is quite loose. If you go out and pull on yours, you can pull it down. I would add a regular worm clamp to that, but hey, I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to tell you what to do. Anyway, the point of this video is to show you how this attaches, which is a little bit unique. This is actually extremely important. I'm sure you've seen my many videos of the damage caused by the leaky cowl, and they all leak. But let's see if I can illustrate this. All right, beautiful, perfect, illustrative. So you see this little apparatus on the firewall with two pins, one on the right, one on the left. Your tube, this is very Italian to do it like this, would slide over this one. If thumbs can make it happen, you can see it slide over this one and then drop down on this other one. Like so. And now it is, yes, like that. Wham! Okay, see that? It's on the two pins. And now it automatically, it's on the two pins, and now it automatically locates itself here. And like so. Very important, because if the cowl clogs up or if this falls off, then guess where all the water goes? Yeah, exactly. All right, that was your just the tip, because that's all I'm willing to give you, baby. Carry on. She's a goddamn lovely man.